Um, Full honesty, off the bat, bro, I don't think I performed well today at all. So let's go over that and really get into it, right? So I'm gonna start off with the bias overall. Like my analysis was just honestly just like I woke up pretty late. My analysis wasn't the best. Things of that nature. Not being in the right state of mind, the fact that ES and NQ were super uncorrelated, all this stuff just made me super just I don't know. I don't think I was dialed in. But yeah. Anyways, let's start off on the daily time frame. Starting off on the daily time frame, I noticed that we inversed this daily fair value up to the downside. This was already a big sign we're bearish. Right. Same thing with ES. I'm not saying with ES, but ES had this really big volume imbalance right here on the daily time frame, so I was kind of leaning more bearish than not. So on the 4 hour, I was also more bearish than not. We had this stacked low resistance high time frame right here. And we're just started inversing these gaps over here. Thing is though, we were still also respecting this 4 hour BPR, so it's kind of like, okay, we might maybe be bullish. Yeah, yes, inversed this gap just by a barely tiny bit, which also was a sign of bearish. Wait, did I say bullish? No, yeah, bearish on ES as well. Of course, remember that there's also a volume imbalance right there. Also, with these highs still intact, I was like, I don't know. So I was kind of more neutral at the start here. And going the 1 hour. Oh, I forgot about this too. I'd probably start showing my drawings now, but we had a we had a 4 hour unmitigated right here, and you had a 4 hour unmitigated right there, and this is the reason I was super bullish more than not. Because of this, it looked like we're coming on this 4 hour, kind of BPR area, respecting out of it or whatever. And I was like, oh, what are the chances that we just make more low resistance, go down to this area down here of, Asia low, and this unneeded 15-minute to reverse off of it, making more low resistance like we always keep fucking doing for some reason. And then going up to this up here, the 4 hour unmitigated, plus this low resistance. That looks way better on the 15-minute time frame. I think it looks even better on the 5-minute. Just this area or whatever. And session highs above, but I was mostly aiming for a 4 hour unmitigated gap. So ideally I wanted to see something like this, where we tap into the 15-minute fair value gap, mitigating it, and take out Asia low, go higher, edging once again that low resistance area to go higher up to these levels of that 4 hour unmitigated, and then maybe we could go lower and take it out, right? But I was fucking wrong. So yeah, and then on ES, something I did not notice, I'm not gonna lie, because my sloppy analysis was we did try to take out London, and something that people pointed out was that we had S&T through that. But I don't know, ES was just super uncorrelated, bro. I just didn't like, even I was like, oh, I don't give a fuck about ES, like, it's super uncorrelated. I will say though, strong level on ES is the fact that we took out, or that we had this daily volume imbalance, that was over there or whatever, and also this low resistance right here with session low under it. So might be a reason why I lost as well. But yeah, so ideally off market open, I want to ideally see us either take this out, boom, longs out here, or take this out and short down to down here. Ideally just mostly playing off this level right here. So yeah, anyways, that's the analysis. Let's get into it. Put some fucking time in there so we can look at what happened. So yeah, market opens, and there's actually a short off market open. We came into the 5 minute for value gap right here, or even like 15 minutes to be honest, and then we gave a short off of this on 30 seconds. Some people took this first initial short right here. Kind of confused though. People do that 30 second, but like it already took out that low. Yeah, but a lot of people took this right here. I saw this area and I was like, oh, this looks not bad at all to aim for down here. But I was like, what I learned from yesterday, right? And this is like even some psychological shit that might have even interfered with my trade today. Is that like, bro, what's it called? Fucking low resistance or whatever. Like above, like the key level, you know what I'm saying? I took a play like this yesterday, similar to it, off of a 15 minute fair value gap as well. More aggressive play, and it just fucking lost, bro. Like, it literally just lost, and I was like, oh, that fucking sucks. And, yeah, funny enough, it also had 930 low as the, break-even point. So, it's something I noticed that happens a lot, and I don't know if it's like a pattern recognition or something, but we'll have similar setups in a way, like day by day or whatever, but then, like, it's obviously like not exactly the same, but it'll be similar and have like these certain things to it. Like this is pretty similar to yesterday's trade where I lost, but the next one wins, and it's like what the fuck, and then like I don't know, bro. It's like a whole thing, you know. It's like it's a pattern recognition I see, that I notice, but what else? Yeah, I didn't take it short. I didn't like it because we still had key lows I wanted to target above. I wanted to see when these get taken out, go for the other one, or this get taken out, go for the other one. That's how I was thinking. So I didn't take this. I did see it, but I didn't like it, bro. I was like, I'll wait for something more, maybe more high probable. Missed out on that. Audi did take that. W Audi. And I saw this fucking 1 minute. I didn't even notice there's a 5 minute here, but there's this 1 minute right here, and I was like, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna fucking lie. There's a 30 second right here. After we took out this area, right? There's a 30 second up there inside or above this 1 minute right here. And I inversed. I was like, I'm waiting for 30 second and be safe. Excuse me. But I didn't, because I saw so much volume coming through this one candle at the last minute, and we inversed it, and it took me took a loss. So yeah, I was gonna break even at 930 low. 930 high, or low resistance, depending on how price moves around that area. But that never happened. I took a loss, bro. Honestly, it's not that good. There's not much momentum here. Like, it looks pretty choppy. Yeah, and it just dumped. I looked for shorts after this, but didn't really give anything nice for me. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not too proud of this trade. I don't know. I don't think it was that bad in the moment, but looking over it now, it's just, I don't know, bro. Overall sentiment was bearish. I feel very dumb, but you know, like, it's kind of my fault. I woke up a little bit later than usual, so gotta learn. You know, literally doing my analysis after waking up was terrible. But guess what? Bounce back, nigga. This shit happened multiple times before. I learned how to, deal with these type of things. So I'm chilling. I don't give a fuck. Learn from it. Oh, this is an eval trade too, by the way. I'll never take this shit on a live account. Which even shows as well, like, there might be even some like psychological thing with evals, or just, yeah. What else? I think it's pretty much it. I like log out here. And yeah, bro, it just fucking dumped all the way, and it finally took out more of that low resistance or whatever. And it's like, what the fuck, man? Now I want to take it out, like, bro. But yeah, I feel very fucking dumb, bro. But I learned from it. What else can I really talk about here? Hold on.